People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak Prepak ke Nifutaret Suba Mapok Kumon Thouram lamdam asida khundaminnariba yelhoumee sing Chingmee-Tammee meeyam Pumnamak khutsamnaduna mapung phana Pangthokkhre lalholop asigi Department of Publicity and Propaganda mangal khumanna kutyek piduna thadorakpa cherol amana hai lalholop asigi Nifutaret Suba Mapok Kumon Thouram ase Central Headquarter General Headquarter 707 Mobile Battalion Base Area 1 CNA Base Area 2 Eland Base Area 3, BDES Base Area 4, NPL Training Center Mobile Battalion 01 amadi Mobile Battalion 02 na chingba tongan ba mafam singda Pangthokkhre. Central Headquarters ta Pangthokpa Thouram amada Party ki Chairman Interim Council ahaiba angomna athoiba mithunglen amadi Charge Day Affairs Publicity and Propaganda Laibak ngakpana Thouram mapu oike Thouram adu Chairman Interim Council na Maira Chokhatuna Thouram haudoklaba matungda lupki firal chingkhatkhe Thouram gamari lainana Chairman Interim Council ahaiba angomna Prepak lingkhatkebagi wari amuk hanna ningsingladuna hai ngase Kangleipak na China pung oiduna lamlo lanmi amasung Kangleicha kayagi mongfam ohelakliba ase Hindustan na Kangleipak pu namnaw lotion khibaduna thokhanbane Miyoiba khunai chawkhatpagi latam singda ningtamba lebak amagi mapung faba saktam phangduna Kangleipak ase mating leiba lamdam ama oibaga loinana sana khotnaba nat lining na chingba tongan ba hiram singda malyamgi miyamna chawna sakhang bibagi khudongchaba ama phangjaram gadaba Kangleipak ngasidi maikai khudingda marai chaitha hanbikhre Kangleipak ki mangkhiba ningtamba amuk hanjul handuna lamdam asida ningtamba chawkhatpa amadi manaba khunai ama puraknabagi damak haukhiba thodok sing kauthoknaraga achau macha thidana lebaki damak lesang sitna ningtam yawol lanthing chathaminaraklaba asengba ningtam yawolop sing punsin ba mathautai haina mahakna phongdokhi General Headquarters ta Pangthokpa achamba Thouram amada Red Army ki Chief of Army Staff Romi Maitaina athoiba mithunglen Charge Day Affairs, Medical and Family Welfare, Chambana, Thouram mapu amate, Red Army ki GSO2, Rokina athoiba lingbirakpa oiduna, Thouram Pangthokkhre, Chief of Army Staff na Maira Chukatuna Thouram adu, haudoklaba matung party ki firal chingkatlaga, laikhidraba athobi singda laikatpagaloinana, Revolutionary Gun Salute piduna ikai khumnaba utke, United Base Area de Laiba Red Army ki 707 Mobile Battalion da Pangthokpa Thouram amadana NSCN GPRN ke Chairman Yung Ong na athoiba mithunglen Red Army ke Base Area Secretary Langambana Thouram mapu amadi Camp Commander MD Pakesh amasung atay Wezia lamdam ge ningtam yawlup sing ge luchingba marina athoiba lengbirakpa oiduna Nifutaret Suba Mapok Kumon Thouram ase Pangthokkhre athoiba mithunglen oikiba NSCN GPRN ke Chairman Yung Ong na hai Wezia lamdamda ngasi chathariba ningtam lan asige aroiba ningtambage panthung ase fangnabagi damak aikhoi tangai fadana punsinba mathautai apunbagi lingjeltana aikhogi panthung yauba ngamgani haina mahakna phongdokhe Thouram ase party ki base area 1 CNA da regional officer mangal Base Area 2 Elanda Party ki core committee ki member Erik Khomba Base Area 3 Bidesta regional officer nganba Base Area 4 NPL da Regional Officer Achoba amadi Location M3 da Regional Officer Yaipaba na athoiba mithunglen sing oiduna Pangthokkhre Mapok Kumon asiga mari lainana Tampaki District sing laiba Children Home Orphan Home Old Age Home amasung Chinko ki narco terrorist sing na chatharakliba ethnic cleansing da awa chaitheng nangduna relief camp lairiba sing da Cheng Hawaii Tilho Chanam Thau Thum Che Kolom Pencil amasung ngamjaba senfam sing khudol tamduna mating pangki haina cherol asina makatari